What is up guys, Done at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in Canva. So first you need to head over to your Canva's website and then you need to log in with your Canva's credential. After that, on the left side, you need to click on create, and after clicking on create, you need to click on videos, and then you need to choose the video type or video form. And after choosing here, you will be redirected to the video editor page. So from here, you need to click on this app section here. And after clicking on this app section here at the top, you need to search for video reverser. As you can see, this is the video reverser option. So just simply click on that and then all the video reverser apps will load. From here, you need to click on this video reverser application and then you need to open it. After opening here, you will see the button to start. Simply click on start and then this will prepare the exporting of the video, and then this will just simply reverse it. And after that, as you can see, you will see the option of original video. So this is my original video, and then I can just auto set it to mute or reverse. I'll click on reverse, and after that I'll just click on reverse video, and I can also adjust the speed. So now this will start reversing my video, and this is the video that I am reversing. After that, when the process is done, your video will be reversed, but you need to make sure that you have enough credits to reverse the video. So this is how you can reverse a video in Canva. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.